Hello, welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of home styling ideas as well as DIY projects. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. This video will be focusing on cleaning my family room and kitchen and doing some decorating. So what I'm going to do first is take out some of these pumpkins I have throughout the house. I'm kind of scaling down on the pumpkins. You know, Halloween has come and gone. It's still fall, but I just have too many pumpkins around the house. So I am just going to pack away all of my pumpkin decor pieces, and I usually just put them in a bin and keep them in the garage. So I am going to tidy up in here a little bit, you know, just vacuum and dust and clean a little bit before I get into decorating. I'm gonna let the video play and I'll come back soon. This spot over here in the corner where you see a difference in backsplash, I am actually trying out a swatch. I am swapping out the backsplash for this kind of fall marble look. So that was a swatch you saw on the wall, so please don't judge me for putting that in the video, but it's a work in progress, and that is what I will be updating the backsplash to. That is it for this video today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notifications button so that you're notified when I upload a video. Until next time, bye.